Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Guys, I would like to get only about 5 minutes of your time. Many customers are coming to us and, asking my PS5 is freezing, my Xbox is freezing, yes, or it's really loud, or I'm playing for 1 hour and then it's crashing. And I would like to show you only from our recent repairs what we've done. Well, actually these are more cleanups than repairs. What we found inside, and you have to open it fully to get to that point. You can't open it just partially, yes, and get the fan out like in PS5. Look, that's PS5, you've got a fan here, so that's this that's this section here, yes, so you've got a fan here, but you can't get with your hoover or condensed air, more into those parts, yes, it's impossible. So that's where the dust is holding. Hold on a second, because I clicked on the wrong picture. Yes, you see another one picture. You see there's another part here as well. Yes, if it's clogged, you can't get it because you're here, and even if you spray, that doesn't do the trick. So you need to open it fully. That's PS4 actually. Okay, so that's PS4. You see we're putting new pads where it's needed. We put new thermal paste when it's a PS4 or it's a Xbox, yes, as well. Look, that's a Xbox Series X, yes, with nice cushion of the dust here, and there's another, yes, so we can just go and go and go, and you'll see more and more of them. What it is? Okay, that's our LCS only members, so that's okay. But I could scroll and I could just show you and show you and show you, yes, because it's a lot. There is one video in the playlist called PlayStation Repairs, yes, PlayStation Repairs, called Do You Own PS5? Watch Out, because that's what's happening, guys. So we can't read from crystal ball. Come on. Yes, we can't read from the crystal ball. We are unable to say to you that in your case will be the same thing. But what we can do is we can for real open it thoroughly. And for PS5 we charge only like £30 to open it fully, remove all the dust, inside out literally, and then put it back. Yes, so it takes us, let's say, up to an hour to do it properly, like without rushing and then pulling some cables or snipping wires, because when you are in a rush you're trying to do, you can snip the cable and you can damage it. Yes, so we are trying to do it as fast as it's okay, but don't speed up with it too much. That's from PS5, by the way, from LEDs. LED stopped working, yes, because when you are in a rush you can damage it. Yes, we've got spare parts, we've got other PlayStation for spares, so it's okay, but we don't want to cause more trouble than it's worth. At the end of the day, the quickest we can do it, the cheapest we can do it, the more robust we can do it, the more happy customers we will have. And as we approaching now 95-star reviews, you can see that it really can be done. And if you see 500 videos on this YouTube channel, you know that it can be done. Yes, so it's no-brainer. It's a dust inside, you need to remove it, and then you can take it from there and see if you still observe issues or no, there's no more issues. Yes, you can literally say that you can go back to playing your PS5, Xbox Series X, or whatever other game consoles you have, maybe older generations. Most of the time it's that as simple as that. That's why I'm recording this video, so that when the new customers will be coming with the same thing, remember, we don't have user manual for the crystal ball. If you have user manual for the crystal ball, please give us. We will be happy to tell you what will be in your case, but other than that, we need to open it, we need to check it, and we need to clean it. Yes, first when we get power game console, we plug it in. If we see that HDMI port and other ports are okay, we plug it in, powering it on, we see how it is, then we disassemble it, clean it, check general visual inspection as well everywhere. If we need to replace thermal paste or the pads, new pads, we do in it, yes, and then we put in it back and it's off on its merry way. Guys, that's it what I wanted to tell you. Phew, hopefully you've got a lesson out of it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.